Hello creators, welcome back to my channel Winna Treasures. Today we are going to learn about an image generation tool which will blow your mind, and the name of this tool is Leonardo.ai. So let's log in to Leonardo.ai and explore this tool. This tool is not just generate images, but do more than that. For this we need to explore it more. So here you can see how many options are available. You can create motion videos, realistic video, real-time image, etc. So let's click on image generation. Here we need to give prompt. As you can see, I already tried it. And see how amazing results are there. For you, I can change it a little bit, and here it is. From left side corner, you can select how much images you want to generate, so that it can also save your credits. Awesome. So in this, you can use this tool for free as it provides 150 credits daily. So enjoy, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.